Hello everyone, if you are running Google Ads Performance Max campaign in your Google Ads account, then Google has recently launched a very important feature which is related to Performance Max campaign, and this update says that you can now create web page specific assets for enhanced Performance Max campaign. So what you can do is, if you want any particular images, product images, or any your most sold product images in your Google Ads account, then you can create those specific pages in Google Performance Max campaign. So what you can do is, you need to do if you want to particular images which is related to any specific pages on your website, then you can mention all those pages in asset generation. So I am zooming the image now. So it says that in asset generation you can select all those pages to enhance and suggest images from. So if you want images from any particular page, then you can use those images by mentioning those specific pages in Google Performance Max campaign asset generation. And this update will help you to maximize your Google Ads Performance Max campaign, and it will also help you to provide more relevance, more data to Performance maxing campaign. So obviously it will help you to better ROI in Google Ads account. So hope you will enjoy this feature. And if I see in my Google Ads Performance Max campaign today, then this update is not currently available. So in upcoming days we can be able to use those features in our Google Ads account. Thank you.